The Chenambour is our best location for our great Rieslings, oriented south, beautiful slope, old Triassic soils, and it produces Riesling, the best Rieslings of Hugels with a beautiful aging capacity.
Our top dry Riesling always come from a selection of the oldest vines in the best location in the heart of one of the most historical Riesling vineyard in Alsace called Grand Cru Chenambour. These wines typically go through quite a dumb phase within 3 to 5 years of their bottling. They reach their optimum after 8 or 10 years. And like all great pedigree, like all great terroir wines in France, they reach their optimum in time. So those wines can be cellared for 10, 15, sometimes up to 20 years. So be patient with those wines.
So for our great Grand Cru wines, so Chenambour and Sporen, grapes are picked 2-3 weeks after the beginning of the harvest to reach really a great maturity, a perfect maturity, then brought in small containers in the sheds and pressed in pneumatic presses for a few hours. Then the juice is settled and racked 12 hours later. And the juice is fermented then naturally in these old oak vats, 70 hectoliters mostly, 100 years old. And the wine will stay about 6 months in these vats, then will be bottled. And of course, these wines need another 4 years of cellar aging before they are marketed, because they need to develop to reach their peak.
My role with the 13th generation will be to accompany the convention of the domain in organic, which has already started a few years ago.
The top Riesling coming from the best soils in Alsace. I would say I can recommend it with the top gastronomy. Turbot, you can use it turbot with trout, you can use it with langoustine, lobster, and you can use with some sauces. And I would say this kind of white wine can be adapted on a nice poultry or on rabbit also, because it's full-bodied, it's dry, you have a good complexity. It's top.
Very proud to manage the family estate, 12 generations and soon 13, with the same name, in the same place, sharing a common passion, excellence, which we hope you will find in our wines.